this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GameSir G7 SE to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The G7 SE is a wired controller designed primarily for Xbox consoles. However, it is going to work for PC as well, and it is plug and play. So all that you have to do is first grab the cable included with the controller. You will plug one end of the cable into the controller itself. A lot of users have reported that this cable needs a lot of force to be plugged in. They made the design like that so it doesn't slip off when you are actually playing using the controller. So make sure that you apply a lot of pressure to really get this cable in. Once you know that the cable has been plugged into the controller for sure, the other end will go into your PC, laptop, or even an Xbox console, it doesn't matter. So find any available USB port and plug it in. In this example here, I'm showing the controller connected to an Xbox console, but like I said before, the process is going to be the same for PC. So just find an empty USB slot and plug it in. Super simple, super fast. Once it is done, as I've mentioned, it is plug and play, so the controller will be usable right away. If you are using it primarily on a PC, the game needs to have controller support, so if you are playing a game that doesn't feature controller support, it isn't going to work. Make sure that you let it stay connected for a while to download all of the drivers, and then you can try pressing the Xbox button to power it on, but usually it is going to power itself on automatically. If it doesn't work, try swapping the USB ports, try applying a little bit more force on the cable here to ensure that it is connected, and restart your PC. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.